How to get Facebook Marketplace back on Android. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up your Facebook app and make sure to log in into your Facebook account. Now once you are logged in, check for whether your marketplace is available for you or not. If you are facing such issue of your marketplace not being displayed, follow this next step. Select the three-line icon at the top. From here, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on the Settings option. Scroll down and under Preferences, tap on Navigation Bar. Select Customize the bar. In here, you will see a marketplace set at Auto. If by chance it's set at Hidden, your marketplace will not be shown in the notification bar. Select the bubble next to your marketplace and make sure that it is set to Auto or Pin. Now you can head back to the official homepage of your Facebook. Make sure that the marketplace is visible to you. If not, it might be a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, exit from your app, press and hold onto it and go to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. Check out your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on it. Now, if there is an update, just go ahead and leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.